Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to push code from Lovable AI to GitHub. All right, let's begin. First, open any web browser and go to the official Lovable website. Sign into your account and select the project you want to work with. Once the project opens, you will be redirected to the main workspace where your code and project settings are available. Next, locate the GitHub icon at the top right corner of the screen. This icon is used to connect your Lovable project with your GitHub account. Click on the GitHub icon and select the Connect option from the drop-down menu. If this is your first time connecting, you will see the option to link your account. If the project is already connected, this option may not appear. After selecting Connect, you will be redirected to GitHub. Sign in using your GitHub credentials and authorize Lovable to access your repositories. This step allows Lovable to push your project code directly to GitHub securely. Once the authorization is complete, the connection will be established automatically. Your project code can now be pushed and synced with GitHub without any extra setup. So that's basically how you can push code from Lovable AI to GitHub. That's it for this video. Thanks.